Plethora of commonality of interests between government bodies, private sector bodies, individuals that are actually powering this engine of e-content and actually powering this engine of trying to empower the masses of India. In life, I have been taught through various experiences that if you want to succeed, the one most important ingredient in that equation is actually single-mindedness of purpose, commitment and dedication. And I see all three of those values in Osama Manzar. He's also been involved in trying to create the concept of digital panchayats across the length and breadth of this country. And it's also very important as a tool to enable public servants such as myself to be even more aware and empowered in terms of the realities of problems and situations that one faces across the length and breadth of this country. As I said earlier, it's not technology alone, but it's content that is always king. And it's content that always forms the cornerstone of any successful strategy. The Manthan Awards that are going to be given out for South Asia today are very important milestones in the enablement of that goal and the enablement of that aim. They not only cover innovation, issues and policy framework, but cover education, healthcare, broadcasting on a community-wide basis, irrigation, water, issues that are very sensitive and near and dear to the 1 billion country folk in our country. They also cover South Asia, not only India. And there are many commonalities between a lot of the countries across our region. Commonalities in terms of opportunities and also commonalities in terms of challenges that we face. But while we face these challenges such as the digital divide, the challenges may be many, but if we are able to surmount them and bridge them, the rewards are also tremendously fruitful. Innovation has always been a key success and a key part of our formula in India. From the days of Aryabhatta, when we invented the zero, to innovation in areas of medicine, in areas of yoga, India has always been a storehouse of knowledge and intellectual property. We need to again regain our place in the comity of nations as that storehouse of intellectual property. It's only apt that the awards are named Manthan.